On this episode, we're going to talk about how not to handle objections.
And we are live on Countdown na Coaches.
Hey everyone, this is Jeff Luzpo,
And this is Ron C.
and welcome to episode 14 of the Always Be Closing show. Okay, Coach Ron, we are back finally. Grabe,
We are so back.
Kapag shoot na rin tayo ng episode 14 natin, marami na naghihintay ng episode 14. Here we are finally back. And today, we will be talking about mga objections na rebuttals na hindi mo dapat gagawin.
There's always a better way how to handle objections.
That's right.
So, we're going to show you, yung mga boo-boos.
Wag na wag niyong gagawin itong mga papakita namin sa inyo.
Good.
Ready na ba kayo? Okay. Mr. C, nagustuhan niyo ba yung plan?
Oo.
Ganda naman, no?
Maganda.
Okay, Mr. C, nagustuhan niyo ba yung plan?
Oo, maganda.
Ganda naman,
Maganda,
no?
Jeff.
Well protected yung family.
Oo, ganda ng proposal mo.
Very good. Affordable naman siya.
Oo, sarap i-compare, ha?
Fantastic. Very, very affordable. Good, good. So, Mr. C, yung yung
Nasabit ako!
yung ano natin, yung alam mo na, yung 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 ano natin, Mr. C, yung Ninoy, yung Mr. C, yung
Ano ba next step natin?
next step, Mr. C, yung
Coach Jeff, ano ka diba? Nagigitara ka? May banda nga kayo? Oo. Nice.
Hindi, bukas. Jeff, gusto ko na. Maganda. Kaya rin naman eh. Affordable
Kaya.
naman. Oo. Sige. Maganda yan, Ron. Pag-isipan ko muna.
Kasi, bakit talaga? Wala namang isip pero nag-ipon. Ikaw? Jeff, maganda naman talaga yan, no?
Maganda, nagustuhan mo naman? Very good, very good.
Pero mo, ano?
Affordable naman, affordable.
Oo. Compare ko muna, compare ko.
It's actually so good. Sobrang ganda.
Ano ba naman yan? Sir, 2 oras na tayo nag-uusap, i-compare mo pa lahat. Diniscuss, i-compare mo pa. Ano ba naman yan? Grabe naman, 2 oras na tayo nag-uusap dito. I-compare pa. Ano ba naman buhay ito? Buisit ng buhay ito. Ano ba naman yan?
Tamin din.
Bakit? Ngayon ba yan? Kailangan ko isipin, hindi pa ako makapag-desisyon ngayon eh. Siguro
7.
ano, bigyan mo akong panahon para mag-desisyon na. Hindi pa ako makapag-decide ngayon.
Ito makapag-decide.
Hindi pa.
Oh.
Anong dyan mo nga pag-decision?
Kailangan ko pa pag-aralan kasi kung ito ba para sa hindi pa ako makapag-decide. Next time na lang, next time.
Sir, kapag tapos ka ba? Ito yung kailangan mong pag-aralan. Sir, gigil tayo, sir, no? Ipon lang pag-aaralan mo pa. Ano, sir? Kapag tapos ka ba?
Sir, nagustuhan mo
Anong-
naman yung plan, no?
Ganda.
Ano yung
Very
coach
nice.
ron? Ano yung
Affordable
sinasabi?
naman siya.
Yung sound effects?
Okay, mag-start na tayo today, sir, para naman yung sa mga pamilya mo.
Hindi ko pa kailangan yan, sir.
Ba naman yan?
Hindi pa yan kailangan ngayon na, sir.
Ano na, sir, ganito lang kasimple yan. Paano kung mamatay ka mamaya? Paano yun ang pamilya mo? Hindi mo ba mahal yung mga anak mo? Ano ba naman yan? Hindi mo ba iniisip yung mga anak mo? Ano na lang sasabihin nila pag namatay ka?
Nakasapatos ako, guys.
Kung ano mangyayari sa'yo paglabas ng coffee shop na baka masagasaan ka o anong gagawin mo? Hindi ka insured. Ano ba naman yan?
Grabe ka naman.
Mahal mo ba talaga ang pamilya mo? Hindi mo ata mahal eh. Mahal mo ba? Hindi mo naman mahal. Ano ba naman yung buhay na to? Alam mo sir, may mga taong mga hindi talaga mahal ang pamilya. Isa ka na din.
Grabe ka naman.
Ayan sir, nagustuhan niyo ba yung plan? Maganda naman.
Maganda.
Ayos naman sir, no?
Ganda,
Ayan,
100,000.
100,000 lang yan a year, sir. Sir, check ko na lang yung credit card mo, sir. Check ko lang, check lang naman. Hindi, titingnan ko lang naman, sir.
Samsung.
Check ko lang, check ko lang. Yan. Saan ka ba nakapark, sir?
Diyan lang.
Diyan lang, oh. Yung malapit lang naman eh, no? Ayan. Ito pala yung credit card mo, sir. Check lang natin, 100,000.
Wait lang, download ko lang. Very
Check lang natin, sir, no? Swiper.
Ngayon na ba yan?
Ano, no?
Ngayon na ba yan?
Check lang natin, sir. Check lang. Ay, swiper, manager. Ayan.
Check mo dyan.
Check lang natin kung papasok siya, sir.
Pag-iisipan check process.
Pag-isipan mo, ayun sir, pwede mo nang pag-isipan, 30 days pa naman yan. Oo, 30 days, walang problema sir.
Hindi, tagal ko naman mag-isip.
Hindi, okay na sir, walang problema yan. Saan ka ba naka-park sir? Diyan, ayun, okay na sir. Sir, hindi, okay lang sir, walang problema sir. Mag-donut ka muna sir. Donut. Ayan, kape ka muna sir. Yan.
Hindi ka ba naman ano card?
Hindi, okay lang sir. Check lang natin sir, check lang. Sir, ito na yung application form, fill-upan mo lang. For record purposes lang yan. Record lang yan sir, survey lang, survey. Survey. Yan, pakifill up na lang sir, ayan. Survey lang yan, survey.
Parang policy na.
Hindi. Survey lang yan sir, survey. Huwag kang mag-alala. Yan.
Okay.
Mukhang maganda naman ha. 100,000 a year.
$100,000 lang, sir. Sir, patingin ng card. Patingin ng card na ganyan.
Gagamitin? Ngayon na ba yan?
Malakas, sobrang lakas.
Oo. Okay. Sigurado ka ha?
Ang balas. Close ko yung manager.
Sigurado ka ha? Sige. So yan, ito yung plan. That's 100,000 a year. Pasok naman yan sa budget mo sir based dun sa sa financial needs analysis natin. Pasok na siya para ma-protect
Sakto lang.
yung family mo, no?
Medyo malakas pala, nasa sa pawan.
Paalam ko kay Mrs. Sir.
Sir, ano ba naman yan, sir? Papaalam mo pa kay Mrs.? Oh, kahapon nga ng babae nga tayo, hindi ka naman nagpaalam sa Mrs. So far, yun yung mga things na wag nyong gagawin kasi grabe. Baka masampal kayo ng kliyente. Instead na matulungan nyo sila, baka magkaroon ka pa ng kaaway. So wag
Malakas,
nyong gagawin yan.
parang
Right?
gradually lumalakas.
Ngayon, meron... So, yun yung mga things na hindi mo dapat gawin. We will be teaching you things na paano mo i-handle properly yung mga ganong klaseng objections and how do you close a
it
deal
sounds good.
right there and then on the spot.
Hindi
Na
na sa pawan
ma-encourage
yung
client
voice.
na magiging masaya siya.
Tapos gradually increasing
Protect
lang.
his or her family today. We would encourage you to attend our Master Closer Blueprint program. Kailan ba yun, Coach Ron?
That will be on November 30th and December 1.
Yan, it's a 2-day mastery program for financial advisors. If you want to know how to handle objections, closing techniques, pencil pitches, lahat, the complete program from start to finish. How do you close a client? We will teach you how to do that dun sa program na yan. So please, invite your financial advisor friends, enroll habang meron pang available slots para naman makasama namin kayo at maging kabilang ka rin dun sa aming United Financial Advisors Community.
Actually,
And we have a
pag
30%
mag-share na
rate.
ako, I just wanna
So,
ask first
message
para
us on
magkakwentuhan
Facebook
tayo.
to find out
Paano nga po ba kayo
how
nagsimula?
you can secure your
When
stock,
you were
okay?
starting,
Right.
what was
So,
your
follow
struggle?
us on
when it
Facebook
comes
sa
to being
Always Be
presentable?
Closing
Diba? Kasi
Academy.
syempre,
By the way, meron din pala
when we
tayong
were starting,
coffee
syempre wala
chit-chat
naman tayong
sessions,
ganun,
no?
di
We'll
ba?
be having one this
Wala pa tayong,
Right, this November, follow nyo lang
so,
yung page for the
yes,
schedule.
those are the line of questioning
Yung
ko
coffee
naman
chit-chat
naisip ko,
session
Coach.
na yan, it's a free
Para lang din
learning
na-
session para makita mo what we teach.
Tsaka Coach Jeff, kahit na nasa lupalop sila, pwede nila tayo puntahan. Kasi ang dami-dami nating advisors, galing Ozamis, galing Cebu, galing Bicol, galing
Nueva Ecija.
Nueva Ecija. You know,
Yeah.
no excuses. If you really want to learn, come over.
So, that's it for today's episode.
So we
hope
have
you
1
like the
minute and
show.
20 seconds.
Please, subscribe.
Last
like
last
our
restroom break.
YouTube channel and share it with your friends. Post it on your wall and spread the word. This is Jeff Luspo.
This is Ron C.
We'll see you again next time. Remember, always be closing.
I have 40 seconds. Ano na, Coach?
Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are back. It's now time for the ABC Thursday Thunder Talk Show. And we have a new time slot, 10 p.m. until 11 p.m., where we will give value to everyone who listens. And my name is Coach Jeff. And my co-host, nandito ngayon si Coach Ron and si Professor Sai. Siyempre, itong show na to is powered by the suited advisor, Mr. Brian Ordiales. Fantastic.
Fantastic evening, guys.
Hello,
good evening, Prof. Good evening, Coach Jeff.
Guys. Good evening.
Yeah,
Good evening. Grabe na. Nakakanibago, Coach Ron, no?
Oh, yeah.
It's been a long time since we were wearing our suits.
That's right.
Yes.
Sabi nga ni,
Tama,
Odonad,
diba?
di ba?
Grabe, Professor
I know.
Sai. The last time na nagsuot kami ni Coach Ron ng suit was the batch prior to the lockdown.
Yeah,
And
that
after
was
that-
about February.
Yeah, February, and then after Feb, wala na. Diba? And then this is the only time na nagsuot ulit tayo ng suits natin kasi we have a very special guest for
Oh, yeah.
tonight. Tama ba?
Yeah.
We're
Oh,
gonna,
Tama.
ano bang pag-uusapan natin ngayon, Coach Ron? What's our topic
Yeah.
for today?
yeah, this is a very interesting topic, no? Kasi, lahat naman tayo nanggaling sa rookie. Tama ba? And we want to add value to, especially pag mga rookies, di ba, syempre, saan ba ako kukuha ng damit? Tama ba? Na
That's right.
Yeah.
presentable, tama ba?
That's right. And
Hindi
how
naman
do
ako
I
masyado
do?
mapapagastos, tama ba? And how can
Oo.
it be fashionable at the same time, professional, tama ba? No?
Yeah.
So, I think we have the perfect guest for that, for this evening. Pero before
That's
that,
right.
Coach, bago natin tawagan yung special guest natin today, di ba? Shout out muna tayo sa mga friends natin sa life insurance industries, tama ba? So, hello muna.
hello.
Oh.
Yes.
Mga Sun Lifers, In Lifers, saan pa?
Hello, Sun Lifers.
Sun
Mga Sun
Lifers.
Lifers, mag-comment
Mga taga
kayo
Manulife.
dito. Sabihin nyo kung taga saan kayo. Comment kayo, Sun Lifers. Manulifers.
Manulife.
Please comment
Yan.
dyan. Shout out kayo dyan. Taga Philam. Hello, mga Philam
Yan.
guys.
Mga
Please,
taga
shout out
Allianz.
kayo dyan.
FWD, Allianz.
FWD.
yes.
Nandito rin.
AXA.
Allianz. Nandito
Aksa.
rin. AXA.
Yan.
True
Okay.
Life UK, nandito rin sila.
Yan,
And syempre,
okay.
mga taga Insular Life, nandyan din
Oh,
sila. Hello. Fantastic. At syempre,
Okay.
yung mga nakikinig din ng mga real estate agents at mga CPAs. Nandito
yan,
rin
oh,
sila. Grabe,
ano.
fantastic.
Mga fellow
Thank you very much
professionals
for
in the
watching the
industry.
show.
Oo.
Yes.
You look awesome today, Coach Jeff. Para
Yeah. Yeah, I was about to wear my necktie kasi syempre mas fashionable pag meron kang necktie, no? And I realized hindi ko na masarap. Grabe. Ang taba ko na.
Na-lockdown
hindi ko
din
na
yung
ma-
necktie.
Na-lockdown din ang
Na-lockdown
necktie.
din.
That's right.
Yeah.
So I was
Si-
wearing my necktie. Paano ko ba pagkakasya yung leeg ko dito? Hindi na kasya talaga, di ba?
Buti
So,
na lang, hindi kami nag-necktie.
Buti na lang
Oo.
guys at nakisama kayo sa akin at hindi na rin kayo nag-necktie. Fantastic.
Ayan,
Paano mo nan sila?
Yan.
That's
Si
good,
ako
that's
kasi
good,
si John Wick kasi kinuha yung necktie ko. So binigay ko na kasi
Parang
para
hinira muna pala, Coach Ron, ha? Hinira
Oo.
muna.
Tama.
Si Prof naman naka-vest.
Oo. Since
Wow.
di ako nakapag-necktie, nag-vest na lang ako.
Parang ano lang, no?
Oo,
Parang si
parang-
Harvey
Oo.
Specter.
Oh.
of the
Pero originally,
Suits.
Coach,
Yeah.
dapat magpapabango lang tayo today, di ba?
Correct.
Oo, di ba? Pero,
Tama.
oo. Pero they're in
Oo.
for a live FB show today, di ba? Hindi yung live
Yan.
show na in-expect nila.
Oo.
Oo,
That's
kanina, we almost broke the internet kasi nag-post ako nung
Nang-
may mga nag-comment, nanay daw kita eh. Pero ikaw
Nan-
masyado, di ba?
Oo, ganda.
That's right.
Yan,
Ganun
yan,
pala
yan.
itsura natin, Coach Ron, pag mahaba ang buhok, no?
Oo.
Oo,
Grabe.
fantastic.
And
Kaso
habang
maskulado ka pa din.
so habang nasa ECQ tayo, baka abutin tayo ng siyam-siyam, ganun na ang magiging buhok natin bago ma-lift talaga completely yung no? Hanggang sa
Oo
magkaroon ng
Pero
Oo,
bagay
na
naman, Coach
vaccine.
Jeff. Maganda.
Bagay ba? Oh,
Bagay,
nanay
bagay.
na
Ano kay
nanay
Coach
ba?
Ron?
Nanay na nanay.
Oo. Ganda.
Yeah. Yan,
That's right,
sige.
that's right.
Pero ganito, Coach, before natin tawagin yung ating special guest, di ba? I think
Yep.
parang nagsistretching na siya doon sa sa dressing room niya.
Oh, tama.
Meron pa rin tayong raffle, di ba? After this
may
session,
pa-raffle tayo. That's
yan,
right.
oo. So
Oo.
if you're going to tag, di ba? If you're going to tag at least 5 names.
5
Tapos,
names,
yeah, 5
guys.
names. Tapos nakalagay
5
hashtag,
names.
naka-hashtag ABC Power Dressing.
Yun.
Okay, hashtag
Hashtag
ABC Power Dressing.
Power dressing.
Yan, okay.
Nice,
So,
nice.
tag 5 names, tapos hashtag ABC Power Dressing, and you have a chance to win slot dun sa June 26, 27 na session natin. Coach Jeff.
That's right. That's
Wow.
right. It's a master
Wow.
closer blueprint where you will be receiving the training for the complete ABC closing
Yun.
system. At ang maganda dito, that's valued at 5,900.
Wow.
We will raffle it off for one winner for tonight.
Oh, yan.
Tama ba?
Fantastic. Okay, game na tayo.
Fantastic.
Galing.
One winner for
Galing,
tonight.
galing.
Galing, galing,
Okay,
galing.
okay.
Grabe,
Game
excited
na tayo, game na
ako
tayo.
dyan,
Excited,
Excited
excited.
na.
So game na tayo, Coach. Pwede mo nang i-introduce ang ating...
All right. So, ang ating guest speaker for today na magtuturo sa atin about how do you find your fashion sense? How do you dress properly without really breaking the bank? Diba? At ang maganda dito is also the owner of the YouTube show. Meron siyang YouTube show na tinatawag nating The
Wow.
Suited Advisor. Search
Suited
nyo lang guys. Doon sa YouTube, type nyo lang The Suited Advisor. You will see his episodes there at makikita mo yung mga adventures niya as a financial advisor and also as a fashionista. O, di ba?
Wow.
Yun.
No?
That's
Ganda
right.
ng
That's right.
branding
And he's also the host. And he's also the host of this. One of the hosts of this show. He's powering us. He's helping us out in running this show. Please all welcome the suited advisor himself, Mr. Brian Ordiales.
Galing.
All right.
Okay, welcome, Brian!
Hey, coaches.
Brian, hello.
Brian! Coach
Hello,
Brian,
hello.
welcome.
Fantastic,
Galing,
Coach
galing.
Thanks for
Brian.
having.
Hello.
Ang hirap pala na mag-produce habang ikaw ang guest. Sa mga nakarinig ng
Diba?
boses ko kanina, pasensya na kayo.
Oh,
Narinig nyo
that's
tuloy
right,
behind
that's
the scenes na pinag-usapan
Yeah,
natin.
yeah,
no?
yeah, yeah.
Oo.
Alright.
Ang maganda
Galing,
dito,
galing.
guys, ang maganda dito, the first time we met Brian Ordiales was
Last year.
during
Last
an
year.
ABC class last year,
Batch
no?
25.
Oh,
wow.
batch 25.
25.
Grabe, no? Nakailang batches na ba tayo ngayon, Coach Ron, Professor
Uh,
Sai? 127.
127.
Di ba?
Imagine,
About 127 na. Yes,
Grabe,
Professor
congrats.
Sai, 127 na. And
Batch
then,
21 ako noon, Coach Jeff.
batch 21 ka ba,
Batch
Professor
21
Sai?
ako.
Oh,
Oo, tapos umulit
fantastic.
ulit ako, di ba? Nag-take
Yes.
ulit ako kasi gusto ko talagang matuto ng mabuti.
Nice, nice. So after ng batch 21, a few more batches, si Brian Ordiales na yung umattend. Batch 25 pala siya.
25 pala
That's
siya.
right. And the first time na umattend si Brian Ordiales, he was very friendly. He even approached us. Tapos nakipag-usap siya sa atin about, about personal branding. And nung nakita natin yung YouTube show niya, oh grabe, ang forma pala nito.
Oo.
Tama ba? And he has a very, very good fashion sense, Yung taste niya pagdating sa the clothes that he wears, grabe, he can really carry
Oh,
himself. And
tsaka coach, nung nakita
Yeah,
ko yan, yung buhok niya, bigla ko naalala yung sarili ko.
Yun.
Ganito ko noon.
Mga ganyang
Ilang
panahon
years
ba?
na yun, coach? Ilang years
Mga
na?
ilang, mga ilang
Oo.
years yun,
Namin na
Coach Ron?
kasi 10 years old lang yung last time na nagkabuhok ako.
yeah, that's right.
Ayun.
So Brian, alam mo na ang mangyayari sa iyo.
So yan.
Oo.
Ayan, ah.
Parang nagre-receive
That's
na.
That's right. So yun ang mangyayari, no? Pero Brian, matanong ka namin, no? Kasi we're very curious, paano mo na formulate yung the way that you dress? Kasi syempre, ano pa rin yan it's still a skill, tama ba? Because not everybody can really carry can really parang yung the way that they dress, hindi naman lahat maporme. Yung iba naman trying hard na maging maporma pero hindi pa rin talaga, baguhin pa rin, tama ba? Pero
Oo.
si Brian, every time he wears something, whether casual or formal,
Sino ba
or
yan,
semi-formal.
We want to know, sino ba yung inspiration mo? Diba? Saan ba
Oo.
natin kinukuha yung style natin, yung swag?
That's right.
Sino ba yung
Yeah.
influence
That's
mo?
right. And
So-
mamaya pag-uusapan natin, guys, kung the psychology behind
Oo.
why you need to dress properly, no?
Oh,
Pero
yeah.
tanungin muna natin si Brian. Ano ba yung inspiration mo dyan, Brian? How did you start as a fashion icon? Nux!
Wow, passion ako. Thank you.
Fashionista.
Actually, couple of my parang fina-follow ko, especially on Instagram, kasi I frequent Instagram again, AJD, kapatid siya ni Enchong.
AJT.
He's
Oh,
really
okay.
into
AJT.
formal wear. So when you follow
Formal wear.
his Instagram, siguro yung na-influence lang niya ako. And
Okay.
nakikita ko
Okay.
sa kanila the way he dresses. It kind of develops over time. Yung sinasabi niyo, coach, na what looks good on you. Kasi iba-iba naman tayo eh. Siguro my take is I'm always a risk taker. So hindi ibig sabihin na okay, monotonous black and white, the
Oo.
usual stuff, 'di ba, when it comes to suits and fashion. Kasi it's easier to parang i-pair up. But for me, I'm a risk taker. I wanna learn what would look good for me. So there are times na I dress up na hindi ako satisfied. I feel like it does not suit me well. So over time,
right.
na-develop natin talaga
Yeah.
yan.
Tsaka you'll get it from feedbacks, di ba?
Correct.
Feedback ng
Yes,
mga kaibigan.
that's
That's
crucial.
right.
Creative.
Tsaka-
That's right.
yeah.
That's right.
Creative
You have to
criticism.
surround yourself with people who have good taste. Tama ba?
Tama.
Who will give you, di ba, compliments, di ba? Para alam mo yung, okay, ito talaga yung style na akong ako. Tama ba? Very, very nice. So,
Especially
kung
Coach Juan, 'di ba? Yung mga barkada mo na talagang meron ding hilig sa pagsusuot ng suit.
Yan, oh,
Ito,
yan.
mga kaibigan mo, ang alam lang suotin, t-shirt tsaka polo.
Yeah. Kasi ako,
Na-experience mo
I
ba
remember,
yun, no? Yung gano'n,
Yeah.
Coach Juan, yung sasabihin sa'yo, ang OA naman ang suot mo.
pag
True.
ganun,
That's right.
pag ganun, papakain ko na yung sa kanya. Yung
Bakit?
Pocket square mo.
square ko. Alika nga, busalan nga yung bibig.
And let's face it, guys. The reason why we wear we wear clothes, something na presentable, fashionable. We don't really wear them for ourselves. We wear them for the clients that we meet. Tama po ba?
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Kasi let's face it, Filipinos are very judgmental. Tama?
Correct.
They're
correct,
gonna judge you from head to toe.
From
So
Yeah.
head to
if
toe,
you
that's
were,
right.
let's say you're a financial advisor and you're going to advise a client something about finances, no? You're going to teach them money management techniques, cash flow allocation, and then you're going to offer your products. Syempre, whatever you wear, magre-reflect yan because you are the first product ng
Tama.
nire-represent mo.
Tama.
Tama
You
ba?
are the product.
What
Correct.
That's
you
why
wear
coach,
is the parang ang coach yun eh. What you wear is the first line of defense mo, kumbaga.
Wow,
Right,
talaga.
right, right.
Tama
Line
yan,
of
Coach
defense.
Ryan. Tama yan.
So,
Ibig
sabi nga
sabihin,
nila,
you
coach,
gotta wear the part.
yeah, you gotta wear the part.
That's right.
People, sabi mo nga, di ba, they're usually judgmental. Sabi pa naman, don't judge the book by its cover.
Discover.
Pero in reality, people really judge the book
Judge
by
the
its
book.
cover.
Correct.
Tama ba?
Tayo, lalo pa
And-
Pilipino.
Tama. So ako,
Exactly.
I always wanna make sure that ang mindset is kailangan medyo mahiya yung kliyente sa akin na okrayin ako.
Tama.
Kasi, di ba, remember how you present yourself, you dress how you want to be addressed.
You
Tama ba,
dress
no,
the
Prosper?
way you want to be addressed. Tama.
That's
right.
right.
That's really important.
Ganda
So
na,
ikaw,
Coach Ryan.
si Brian, I'm sure may share to. Paano ka ba nagsimula, Brian? This the first, few years mo, first few months mo, how did you, paano mo ba hinanap yung mga pieces mo, para makita mo na, hey, ano ba talaga yung bagay sa akin? And how did you do it?
Yeah, so I'm gonna share my story. Pakita ko lang sa live stream. Although hindi nyo makikita, coach, unless you check your phones. So pakita ko
Okay.
sa live
That's
stream,
fine.
Okay.
That's fine.
Pero ito, shout out lang din, Brian.
Yes,
Kasi
yes,
we
coach.
have friends na mahilig talaga mag-suit, no? Yan
Yes.
si coach, shout out, nakita ko sa comment, Rosh.
Oh,
Yan, si
Rosh.
Idol
Oh,
Rosh,
grabe.
di ba? Si Idol Rosh.
Paporma din
tigas-
yan.
Paporma yan,
Oo,
di ba? Idol
from Cebu,
yan.
no? From Cebu.
Oo.
That's
Yan,
right,
yan.
grabe. Sobrang porma
Very
yan.
O, si
Well,
din, kahit si Coach Ariel Manyalak,
Coach Ariel Manyala,
Diba?
yes, sobrang porma
Very,
din yan.
Coach.
looks sharp. Very
Yeah.
sharp.
So
Oo.
I'm
Ayan, game tayo.
pinapakita ko na sa live stream, coaches. So if you can check na lang din para makita nyo. So my story
Okay.
began actually when I was still in Accenture. So I was in Accenture back in 2015. And I joined a giveaway of Top Man PH. So para
Oh,
siyang
okay.
Top man.
yeah, so
Grabe, celebrity pala to si Brian Ordiales,
Oo
no?
nga.
Model.
Branded.
Top man. Grabe.
Oo.
But
Yeah, so-
model din ako before eh.
Model.
Model saan? Model saan?
Combantrin.
Pamban-
Pero,
Akala ko Mr. Clean.
Mr. Clean.
hindi, yung Mr. Clean,
Mr.
after
Clean.
na lang, nung overdose ako sa Combantrin.
Ayun.
Not
Yan
Mr.
nangyari,
Clean,
di ba?
Sumobra linis.
That's right, that's
So, yan.
right.
So, may giveaway yung Top Man and para manalo ka, you need to match the moving suits. So, 3 suits siya. Black,
Okay.
olive green,
Olive
and gray. So,
Gray.
nag-move
Okay.
yan with the slacks nila. And you have to
Right.
pause at the exact moment. Tapos, you have to
Okay.
repost
Okay.
it with a unique caption para ikaw mapili.
Mhm.
So, I won that.
Oh.
And this is actually
You
the suit
won.
that I'm wearing right now.
Galing,
So,
ah.
this is very significant.
Wow!
This is the
Fantastic, fantastic.
That I'm
Oh,
wearing
you look nice.
Wow.
na
Olive
where it
green.
all
Ganda,
began,
ganda.
actually.
Galing galing
So where it all
Very
began.
nice. Grabe,
So-
ang ganda, ang ganda.
When I won that, I immediately used it during one of our semi-formal na event. Pero I decided to go
Mhm.
all out. So sa picture na nakikita nyo on the live stream,
Yes.
literally all out siya with vest,
Tingnan nga
Yes.
natin.
Necktie.
yung pocket square na ano,
Yung
Oh.
pocket
Na-
square po.
nakahang.
Ganda oh.
and
Let's
Ganda,
take a look. Let's take a
lapel
look.
pin. And my favorite,
Maganda, coach. Maganda, coach. Nakita ko
yung
sa live stream.
necktie,
Ganda.
yung necktie na
Yung necktie.
with parang very
tsaka
formal
iba yung
na
pag-
knot.
Yeah, I can see that.
So,
Iba
yeah.
klaseng,
Nice,
iba
nice.
klaseng ano ng necktie to Coach Brian.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Grabe, fantastic, no?
So,
Ang ganda ng forma. Oh. Is that the one na, no? That's the
Galing,
one
ah.
na napanalunan mo sa Top,
Top Man,
Is
yes.
that correct?
Olive green
Wow,
Galing.
suit.
So it's a is that a 3-piece suit?
No, it's only a 2-piece suit with Top
2-piece
Man.
suit?
Oh, two-piece.
Oh, nice. And
Parang-
what are we
Ganda
wearing
yung
inside?
two-piece.
Iba naman ang nasa isip mo, Coach Ron.
Oh,
Ang
ano
two-piece.
naman yun?
Brando strikes again.
Oo.
Ayun. Talaga naipasok pa.
Bumabrando
Galing.
na
Oo,
naman.
pinilit eh.
Brando.
Pinilit eh.
Galing.
Nandito na naman si
Oo.
Brando.
Lumusot
Pag ganun,
pa,
top
diba?
boylet na yun. Top boylet.
Oh, that's right. That's right.
Yan, yan.
Oh,
Ganda,
that's
ganda,
nice.
Brian.
Ganda ng
Very
ano,
nice.
Coach Brian.
Oh, oh.
Yeah, so,
And
Galing, ah.
sige, coach.
sige,
Coach.
go ahead. Go ahead, Brian. Go ahead.
Yeah, so that's where it all started, honestly. And parang when I won that, it gave me confidence like to explore on things. Imbes na piliin ko yung black, which is a safe option for me
okay.
na sige, black na lang yung kukunin ko. Or the gray one, which again, medyo shade din siya ng ano, parang off-white or something. But it's very safe if you pick black and gray. So I picked olive green because hindi naman siya
Olive
ganun
green.
ka bright for me. And I feel like I can pull it off.
Tsaka hindi siya common eh, no?
Yeah, it's not very
Hindi siya common
common.
na kulay.
Ganda,
So, yun.
ganda.
I started
Galing,
with
ah.
that.
Nice.
And then, inalam ko lang din about ano yung mga, anong tawag dito? Yung pocket square, hindi ko pa alam nung time na yun.
Pocket square.
Lapel pins.
yeah.
Tapos, yung pocket watches, ganyan. Paano siya sinusuot. So, again,
May
I find-
pocket watch ka pa talaga. Coach
Yeah, I
Brian.
do
Pocket
have.
watch, yeah.
So, mamaya pakita
Galing,
natin yung
ah.
watch box if you guys have,
Galing ah.
Yeah.
So, ayun, inaral ko lang siya. And I find inspiration. Again, I'm following sila AJD. Yung
AJD, guys, ha?
Yeah,
Please take note.
Ba, may pa-shoutout pa si AJ.
sa- Oh, Instagram yan, right? Is that on Instagram?
Yeah, on Instagram.
Okay, so search nyo lang sa Instagram, AJD. Tama ba, Brian?
Yeah. Tapos
AJD, para
Christopher
meron kayong
Corey,
na-follow.
parang international siya. So, I find inspiration with that. And for some reason, back then, I was attracted with parang old school type na formal wear. So,
Formal
after
wear.
I got this, yung mga succeeding ko na suits, gusto ko double-breasted, ganyan. So, again,
Yeah.
na-develop yung taste ko. No, siguro,
Right,
maybe the
right.
reason why people struggle to be presentable at times because siguro they lack yung parang likeness to discover what would look good for them, parang ganon.
Mm-mm.
So,
Mm-mm.
ako, kasi I was eager na, sige, what would really look good for me in a way na na-encapsulate niya yung personality ko and character.
Right, right.
So, that's
Yeah.
something na I thought about back then
Mhm.
when it all started. So, ito nga.
Yeah. Kasi you'd rather, you know what, coaches, you'd rather be overly dressed than underdressed.
Oh, yes.
That's right.
Over-deliver ka, no?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
That's
Uh,
correct.
Better pa yun.
Mas better
Mm.
yun lagi.
Yeah.
Kasi,
Kasi-
uh,
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah, kasi ang importante doon is, syempre, number one, yung ma-express mo yung sarili mo. Yan, importante yon, di ba? How you really, ako, inspiration ko kasi, coaches, no? Si Harvey Specter. Diba?
Yeah, also.
How would be, yung, alam mo yung acts, di ba? He would look
Galing.
sharp with those custom suits, di ba? And, talaga, he would really carry it the way he should, di ba? Yung, based on the skill. Kasi may skill level siya na, di ba, God mode di ba?
Correct.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you have to dress the way it is, di ba? So I think that's that if you're a financial advisor, tama ba? And right now, syempre coaches, online pa din, di ba? You may
Yeah.
choose to wear di ba, pa rin naman, a blazer, a suit that you can carry on an online. Depende kasi sa kliyente natin, tama ba?
Mhm.
That's right.
Tama. Right.
Importante yan. Pero after this lockdown, after this pandemic, it's really important na you have to start investing in yourself. Kasi
Yeah.
you are the first product.
You are
No.
the product.
Yeah, you are the product. Tama? So
Especially now,
Brian?
this is actually your chance to practice. Tama ba?
Yeah.
Habang
yeah.
nasa ECQ pa tayo, this is your chance to practice. Look at your wardrobe. Tingnan mo.
Yeah.
Ano ba yung mga kailangan palitan na? Ano ba yung mga hindi na kasya sa'yo? Kagaya namin ni Coach Ron, tsaka ni Professor Sai, tsaka ni Brian. Si Brian,
Pwede
laging
na
slim yan
i-donate pag hindi
Oo,
nakasya para mapakinabangan ng iba.
Oo.
Actually,
So,
is it
dito
one of
mo
the tips
makikita
na,
kung kailangan na.
one of the tips
Sige,
na pwede ko
Brian.
masabi is, yun nga, check your wardrobe and find yung mga pieces mo. Like, for example, ako, when I was in high school, malalaki kasi, usual, di ba, before, malalaki yung suit, malalaki yung slacks.
Yeah.
Correct.
So, what I did when I was starting, pina-alter ko sila. So yung
okay.
slacks ko, tipid-tip actually, tipid-tip yun. May mga slacks kasi na maganda naman yung tela. Maganda naman yung mismong
Yes, that's
pagkakaayos niya.
Yeah.
And
Tapos
pina-alter ko lang
papalter
siya
mo na
para
lang.
magamit ko during my first couple of months actually. Yeah. So before I
Meron ka-
continue, go coach. Ano yan?
Brian, meron ka bang tailor na nag-alter ng mga mo? Do you have a preferred tailor?
Wala naman in specific kung saan lang medyo may malapit or somewhere na
Okay.
very accessible for me. Yeah.
Ah,
So before I
nice,
share coaches yung susunod niyan after when it all started and how I discovered this for myself. Siguro tanong ko lang kayo individually can you like reminisce lang for a bit on when you were starting? What was your struggle especially when it comes to being presentable? Yan. So tanong ko lang ako naman let's flip the switch. Yeah.
Okay.
So tanong natin.
Switch naman.
Go. Coach Ron.
Yeah. Ako naalala ko when I was really, starting, I can say that I'm a good dresser, very ako sa kung tama yung pagka-tuck in, 'di ba? Alam mo 'yun, hindi po kailangan talaga swak na swak, tama ba? And I would invest on neckties. Naalala ko noon at that time, mahal na yung pumunta ka sa Marks and Spencer.
Oh yeah,
Punta
during
ka sa
that
Marks and
time.
Spencer, you get a silk tie, and yung mga clients mo, they would appreciate a good dressing. Another thing din, coaches, na pag hindi ako nakasuit, nakabarong na gusto't mayaman.
Suit na yan.
Yan,
Yes.
oo, yeah. So ako, marami rin akong mga clients na, natutuwa na, ganda ng pagkaburda ng mo.
Yun.
Diba? So, these people, you want to dress up for them, pero at the same time, you want to dress up for yourself as well, for your
Correct.
confidence. Pero, to answer, Brian, ako talagang nagtitipid ako noon to get the piece that I would want. Pero ako, alam ko na yung style ko noon at that time. Wala pa akong suit noon. Usually necktie, ganyan, pero I would invest on that. Kahit na isa lang, pero basta maganda.
Nice. How about you, Professor Sai? How did you
Ako-
start?
Well, since my dad works with the government and he's an executive, almost every day nakikita ko siya naka-formal eh. And pati yung mga shoes niya, before he goes to work, shine niya yun.
Yeah.
Which is why at grade 2, marunong na ako mag-shine ng shoes. Kasi nakikita ko sa kanya tuwing
Oh.
umaga eh.
Nice.
And he would
Very
always,
nice.
pag ganyan, pagka Monday to Thursday, he would wear yung kanyang long sleeve barong. Pag Friday naman yan, minsan magsusut siya. Then that's where I got the idea na parang gusto ko rin ng ganun So, di ba, tayo naman, initially, ang mga idol natin, mga tatay talaga natin eh.
Right. So
But
your
when
dad taught you to dress well,
Yes.
or at least you got the inspiration from your dad.
The idea from my dad. And
Yeah.
my dad, siya yung tipo na hindi yan lalabas ng bahay na hindi maayos yung suot. Pag uwi niya ng bahay, kala mo hindi nagusot yung barong niya, maayos pa rin eh. Ganun siya kaayos eh. And that's one of the things my mom loved with my dad. Sabi ng mami ko, alam mo, daddy mo, kahit umuulan, parang hindi nabasa ng ulan yung barong niya o kaya yung suit niya.
Wow, amazing.
So when I graduated from college, the first thing that I did is nagpatahi talaga ako ng sarili kong suit. Isa lang naman, ano siya, yung dark gray na suit. Why? Kasi sabi ko, pag may formal event, especially yung oath taking, di ba? Gusto mong ipakita na kahit naka-long sleeves ng iba, gusto mo naka-full suit ka. And from that time on, every time na I have a chance na either bumili Coach Ron or Coach Chef o magpatahi, I would really do it. So I have the basic colors. Meron akong silver, or yung light gray, dark gray, and of course yung
Classic blue.
Classic blue.
Classic blue.
Nice. Fantastic yan, fantastic. Ako naman, when I started,
Coach Chef.
baduy talaga ako. Hanggang ngayon naman, baduy pa rin ako eh.
Hindi.
Pero
Hindi naman.
I was like the typical guy na una kong makita, yun na yung susuotin ko.
Okay.
Whatever. During that time, kahit ano. So, it just so happened na siguro, lagi enthusiastic, laging masaya, laging nakangiti.
Oo.
Di ba? Na-carry naman paminsan-minsan. Pero, I started out baduy talaga. As in talagang, I would wear different combinations. I didn't know during that time na hindi pala dapat i-combine yung colors na yun. Right? But I survived.
Galing ba?
Because I learned it the hard way nga lang.
Kaya
Because-
pala kita nakita naka-pink na polo ka tapos naka-orange na pantalon nun.
Polo ka. Galing ha?
Diba? At least, diba, hindi ka
That's
masasagasaan, diba?
That's
yan,
right.
yan.
And kahit na baduy, during that time, kahit na baduy, andun pa rin yung confidence level. Siguro talaga makapal lang talaga yung muka na nadadala pa rin. But I realized there, during that time, na kung natutunan ko ng mas maaga on how to dress properly, siguro I could have made a different impact palalo sa mga clients. Because let's face it, guys, kagaya ng sinabi natin kanina, they're gonna judge you from head to toe, mga clients natin. Tama ba?
Tama.
That's right.
Lalo mga Pilipino. Tayo mga
Coach Jeff, naalala ko tuloy. There's one time, bibili ng suit si Jeff. Bibili siya ng suit. Tapos sabi niya, teka, tanungin ko muna kay wife. Sabi niya, sige. Tapos sabi niya nung nagpaalam siya, ang sabi ng wife niya, ano ba sabi ni Ron? Okay daw. O di okay daw. So in short,
Ikaw din.
his wife doesn't trust his judgment.
Ayun.
Sa akin nagtatanong
Walang
bagay
fashion
sa kanya. Right.
Walang fashion sense.
So okay, but
That's right.
we
So-
would give feedback to each other, 'di ba? How we look good.
That's right.
Pero nahuhone 'yan, 'di ba, sa
Yeah.
Time
Tsaka
to
natutunan ko rin, if you wanna play it safe, di ba? For example, baduy ka talaga. You wanna play it safe, right? Sa simula, then you deal with colors na safe din. And one of the safest things to wear is a white shirt, tama
White
ba?
shirt,
And
that's
some
right.
slacks, leather
Slacks.
shoes. Another thing is yung ginagawa namin ni Coach Ron, which is yung gusot mayaman. Di ba? That's something
Yeah.
safe. Tama?
yeah.
And then, habang natututo ka in improving dun sa the way that you wear, kung saan ka kumukuha ng inspiration, then that's the time you experiment. But usually, ang pinaka-safe talaga dyan, if you wanna buy your first suit, is usually yung yung navy blue. Is that correct?
That's right.
Navy blue.
Navy blue
White
suit.
shirt.
All-time favorite yung navy blue actually.
All-time favorite.
yeah.
That's very safe. Navy blue, white shirt, diba? Then have that necktie. It's very versatile. Kahit anong events you can attend dun sa suit na yun. And then you can experiment na. Tama?
Yeah.
Kasi I've seen Brian wear different colors ng mga suits. Tama ba? I've
Yes,
seen
correct.
him wear something na parang
Brown.
pastel orange ba yun? Tama ba?
Galing, ah.
Beige.
Meron ka bang,
Beige, ah.
ayan,
Beige,
beige. O, di ba?
beige,
Meron
okay.
beige. Oh,
Layo,
there was
layo
a-
ng layo ng pastel mo.
Oo nga.
Oo nga.
Mahina ako sa
Pastel pa rin
colors.
naman, pero beige.
Oo.
Beige. Oh, there was a
Chicken
beige.
pastel ata yun.
Oo. Tapos meron akong binili ngayon, Coach Ron, Professor Sai, tsaka Brian, na na different colors din. Pero usually naglaland talaga kami sa blue, sa
Blue.
gray. Yan yung mga safe eh. Blue,
Yeah,
gray,
safe.
black. Mga safe colors yan. Pero pag marunong ka na magdala kagaya ni Brian, then you can
Wow.
wear different colors like green.
Yeah.
Di ba? Green coat.
Aba, maroon,
Or
Tsaka
beige
coaches, no? One of the things then, kasi syempre you have to dress the part, pero you have to really train yourself to how to behave as well. Tama ba? Hindi pwede pag nakasuit ka tapos ang clumsy, tama ba? Alam mo yun, tipo,
The movement,
bigla-
lalo na the
oh,
movements.
your movement has to be like on point. Tama ba? It has to be on point. Kasi,
Panoodin nyo nga yung suits, no, Coach Ron? Panoodin nila yung suits. The movement ni
Yeah.
Harvey when he moves with his suit, parang the
Yeah.
suit is a part of him, an extension of his body. Parang
That's
ganun
right.
yung dating eh.
It's an
Right.
extension of his
Yeah,
body.
yeah.
Tama, Coach Brian.
so
Galing.
very, very, nandun yung swag. Yeah,
Yun,
very, very
That's right.
important. Yan, yan.
And
So,
very important, guys, if you're wearing your power suits, if you're wearing something very nice, always make sure na while you walk, while you stand, whenever you walk, whenever you stand, whenever you sit down, always practice doing the power pose or the Superman pose. Shoulders mo slightly at the back, di ba? Automatic yan, nako-correct yung spine, you will look taller. At the same time, if you look taller, you will look more confident. And when you walk that way, people, magiging head turner ka. Tama? Every time pag naglakad ka sa BGC, naglakad ka sa Ortigas, people will look at you because not everybody walks that way. Tama ba?
That's right.
Right? And
Uy,
then if you
Coach
walk
Jeff yun.
Superman,
Uy, si Coach Jeff yun.
Si Coach Chip yun.
Uy, si Coach Jeff yun.
Yung leg ko.
Tumatawid sa maning tawiran.
Ayun. Tumatawid sa EDSA.
walang stop, walang pedestrian tumatawid.
Walang
Uh,
pedestrian. Tumatawid.
So yan.
That's
So
right.
ikaw Brian. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, so really a part of, sabi nga ni Coach Jeff, yung mixing and matching. You get to develop that over time, and kasama na rin dun yung parang alamin mo yung paano nga ba paano yung magandang pose, paano yung magandang movement that I can do with my suit, especially if you want to take photos of yourself. Diba? If you follow me on Instagram, nakikita niyo yung mga poses ko on
Oo nga,
my
ganun
suits.
eh.
So,
Pakit-
inaalam din
Yeah.
yun.
Yeah.
Ano yan,
Pakita mo nga yung picture na sinend ko kanina, yung kami dalawa ni Coach Jeff.
Yung kay ko.
Oo, maganda
Nasa,
yun.
count, nasa countdown eh.
Sa
Hindi
countdown.
na ako mapakita.
Oo.
So,
Okay.
ayan, so yung manner tsaka yung etiquette when it comes to being formal. So suit, especially when it comes to suit. So kasama yan sa parang aalamin mo when you mix and match your style, develop that sense of style for yourself na babagay sa'yo. So, pero ako, one of the struggles that I had before was, syempre, wala pa naman akong ganun kadaming pera, and it's a struggle for me to find where it is cheaper. That's one. And sakto sa akin. Kasi let's face it, no, when you're starting, hirap to go to like H&M, ano pa ba, Bench, Topman, nasakto talaga sa
Zara.
body fit mo. Zara, yeah. So, so basically what would happen is mahaba yung sleeves, malaki yung
Bagsak
sa
yun dito.
bewang. So, magko-compensate ka talaga at first. And that was, I think, my challenge. Pero, I always want to find pieces. So, lahat kami, if you notice, no, simula nag-accumulate kami ng pieces. And parang, whatever the good pieces we retain, and we parang complement it with new ones. So, ganun din ako noong una. And I found myself buying pieces na may value for money talaga. And this long sleeve that I'm wearing right now, Marks and Spencer siya, and it's a French cuff long sleeve.
Oh, nice.
So,
Wow. Nice.
Nice.
Very nice. Very nice.
Never pa ako ulit nakakita ng long sleeve na French cuff on any establishments na retail, yung mga pang-retail. So, if you can see, yan.
Yeah.
So, meron akong cuff.
Sa Brian, sa TM Lewin.
TM Lewin, meron din ba sila doon?
Yeah. They
Hindi
have,
pa
they have, they have.
Yeah, pupunta ako dyan. So,
Yeah.
Nice.
I only bought this for 765 pesos.
Whoa.
On a sale.
Oh, that's a good deal.
On
That's
a
a good
sale.
deal.
I remember it was nearing Christmas.
Ah.
2015 ata yun. Before I got
Okay.
even got this suit. So,
Nice.
I immediately bought it kasi I haven't really seen retail stores talaga to sell yung mga French cuff.
Okay.
Right? So, French cuff, mahaba siya. Tinutupi mo siya para malagay mo yung
Ah,
cufflink.
yes.
So, if for those people
Yeah.
who don't
Yeah.
understand, no? So,
Ah.
yun, I find pieces na very, very cheap. So, may mga,
Mhm.
abangan nyo yung sale. Yun ang pro tip number 2. Abangan
Yeah,
nyo yung mga
yeah.
sale sa mga
Mm.
H&M. When you're starting, siyempre, doon ka muna sa basics. H&M, Topman. Whenever they have a sale, I bought a suit. Hindi ko na nalabas. I bought a suit on H&M, 500 pesos.
Oh,
So,
wow. Really?
At teka, kukunin ko.
Talaga?
Teka, kukunin
Galing
ko.
Sige, sige, sige. Kwentuhan muna kami dito. Yeah, ako coach, maganda yan. Maganda yung French,
Really,
ano.
no? Mga French cut.
Yeah, ako sa TM Lewin, that's where I get my shirts. Ang maganda sa kanila, they would susukatan nila yung chest mo.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, then they would recommend parang a size for you. Tapos, meron silang database. So, kuwari, doon sa database, they will check on you kung kailan ka last na pumunta doon. Kung ano yung sukat mo. So, kahit pumunta ka sa ibang store, basta sabihin mo yung pangalan mo, we'll
May
get the same
database
cut.
sila.
Yeah. So, it's very specialized.
Galing, ha?
Makadalaw na nga sa TM.
Yeah.
Yan, so
maganda
ito
siya.
yung suit na sinasabi ko.
Oh, nice.
I think
Wow, nice.
nakita nyo na to coaches eh. I
Yeah.
wore it on one of the days na ano.
And that's
So,
how much, Coach
500
Brian?
pesos.
$500?
That's 500
500
bucks
pesos
So
for-
never
for a
na
blazer?
ulit nag-sale si H&M ng suit for 500 pesos. Parang 1.5 na lang ata pinambaba nila. So this is a steal for
Okay.
me.
Oo nga eh.
Oh, that's
So,
good. That's good.
That's really a good buy.
Pero
Yeah.
1.5 for nowadays, 1.5 for a blazer is still very affordable. Tama? Very
Yeah.
something na pwede kasi usually if you buy blazers dun sa
Yeah.
mga
It's really-
signature
Yeah.
na mga clothes, usually it will run anywhere between 7,000 to 15,000
Yeah.
just for the
It's
blazer
really,
alone.
it's really how you carry yourself. Not really how much pa yan. Tama
Yeah.
ba?
Correct.
You can get two TM Lewin for 20,000 pero pwede mo siyang suotin ng di ba? Ng lousy ka. Tama ba?
Right.
Pero you can
right,
carry
right.
di ba, something like that, 500 pero you look smart and all. So again, it's on the attitude when every time you wear that. Tama ba? Talagang kailangan you have to wear it ng kasama ka, di ba? You have to own it.
Yeah.
Tama ba, Brian?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, you have to carry
Galing.
yourself at all times. Tsaka, based on experience, I don't know if ganito rin experience yung coaches, no? Kapag nakasuit ka and you walk into an establishment or like your office per se, no? Parang pag yung mga guards, when they greet you, talagang, sir,
Oh, yeah.
welcome po, right? And
Oh, sir, good morning
pansinin
po.
mo, when you go back to the same place, tapos you're only wearing like a casual, hindi ka papansinin.
Hindi ka pansinin.
Di ba?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
when you go into somewhere na you wanna go, parang when you wear a suit, it commands respect, kumbaga.
Correct.
Yep.
That's right. That's right.
Okay.
You
good,
may
good.
walk
So,
into a place na parang you own it eh, di ba? Yan.
Oh yeah, tama. Yan. So Brian, aside from suits, the shirt, what comes with it? I mean, do you also like watches? Kasi kami ni Prof, yan yung namin, yung hilig namin ni na coaches. How about watches? How do you go about that?
So, I'm gonna be honest, no? Wala pa ako yung talaga mamahaling piece, pero if you check, papakita ko nga yung watch box.
Yeah,
I
it
have
has to
a
be.
watch box.
Kailangan lang naman decent watch na presentable and
That's right.
So, I have
alam mo if you're in a go ahead.
go
Nice,
so,
may
yan.
talagang
So, I have a watch
Uy.
box, pero
watch box.
Oh,
Ganun.
Yeah.
panalo yan.
sorry, medyo may may mga bracelets pa ako.
It's okay.
So,
Oh, nice.
So aside from the watches, I also invest in accessories. So parang ano lang siya, accent on my style. So especially itong ring na to, gamit na gamit ko.
Oh.
50 pesos lang to. Abang kayo sa mga
Good.
bazaars.
Yeah, bro, but it's nice. It's nice.
Yeah, so it doesn't look cheap. So again, sa nagdadala lang siya.
Nasa nagdadala. Tama ka doon.
Yeah.
Totoo yun.
So I have watches. Ito, pina-customize ko galing China, pero nabasag yung bezel niya. So I was planning on establishing my own watch brand actually, Wood Watch to. Ayan.
Galing,
Oh,
ah.
nice.
Would
Ah.
watch. Okay.
Ayan. So mga timeless piece from my dad pa to.
How about yung
US
pocket
Polo?
watch kanina?
Ano coach? Sorry.
Yung pocket watch na binabanggit mo, that
Yung
one that
pocket
you use
watch.
to-
Ito.
Oh, I'm really interested with that one. Bibira kasi nagmagamit ng ganun eh.
Yeah, lalabas
Classic
ko.
yan eh. Sige, Coach Brian. Galing na, pocket watch. I remember I had that when I was in elementary, na misplaced na lang. Bigay din ng daddy ko.
Ako naalala ko dad ko kasi my dad is a banker. So alam mo
Okay.
naman mga bankero,
Mga bangkero.
di ba?
Daw mo nakikita ba, coach?
Oo. Oh, yeah. Nice.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So,
Galing
yeah,
ah.
those
Very
are
nice.
some of the accessories kasi importante din na para maglay ka ng mga hints of accessories. So, again, it shows your personality din and your character as well.
That's right.
Si Coach Jeff, meron siya yung dito yan.
Ano ba ang watches niyo, coach?
Nose ring.
Ito lang, share ko lang din.
Nose ring.
Ring pala yan.
I have this watch. So, it's actually, ang tatak niya is Tag Heuer.
Yeah.
Wow.
But it's actually class A. So, ako ang prinsipyo ko kasi, I don't want to buy pa yung mga mamahaling watch.
Okay.
I know it appreciates over time, but I don't want to buy yet kasi hindi pa kaya ng cash flow ko, di ba? Coach Jeff?
Pero alam mo Brian,
Yeah.
pag nasubukan mong bumili ng totoo, ma-addict ka. So, yeah, tama
Huwag natin
naman 'yon.
nanonood si fiancé. Baka mamaya,
Once na you
ikaw masisi,
decide to
Coach.
get the real one, yeah. Pero ito yung mga sa mga watch enthusiasts. Kay Brian, ito tip ko na rin sa iyo. If you want a brand, let's say Rolex, Jaeger LeCoultre, probably an Omega,
Patek.
pero 'di ba, Patek, 'di ba? Pero the cash flow is not yet there, pero you want a brand kasi you're paying for the branding, tama ba? You might as well I would invest on timepieces na vintage 1950s watches.
Wow,
I'm
yeah.
wearing this.
Mahilig ka nga pala sa mga vintage watches.
This is
Coach
a Jaeger LeCoultre. Yan.
How do you
Kita ba?
pronounce? Ulit.
This is 1960.
Jaeger LeCoultre.
I remember,
This is
binili mo nga siya,
1968.
pinost mo, coach.
Spell.
Tama ba? So yeah, that would still, even if, especially pag you're with a high net worth client, alam nila yung brands na yan. So
Yep.
hindi mahalaga kung brand nyo yun. Ang mahalaga, diba?
Uy.
I mean, if
Yeah.
you see a Beamer, a BMW sa daan, it's still a Beamer even if it's, di ba?
It's still a BMW.
20 years, yeah. So branding. So yun yung mga pwede. You can probably get it ng wala pang, siguro mga ganun, nasa 150,000 pababa. You can get a decent one.
So ako personally, I prefer muna for now. Ito mga class A, pero it looks literally and it feels like the real deal. Ito, I only bought this for like 1,300. so very very tipid siya, honestly. Pero again, it doesn't look that way. And when the client sees me, they won't suspect me na parang, oy, di ba? Hindi totoo yan or something like that. But again, yung mga, everything that will incorporate the look for you, para you look good in a way na ma-appreciate ka talaga ng kausap mo. It adds talaga to the respect that they have for you.
Yeah.
Ayan. So,
Yeah.
ayun, mga watches.
Si
Coach,
Prof. Maraming watches
Oh,
yan.
yan.
Si Prof.
Nabalitaan
Prof,
ko
mag-share ka
marami.
na naman ng watches dyan.
Grabe.
Yung mga,
Professor.
di naman nanonood yung mga
Matindi.
tiga-BIR okay?
Tulog na ba?
Lagot.
Mga kaibigan ko from
Oo,
BIR.
yung mga
Ako talaga, kasi nga nakikita ko din sa dad ko. And tama si Coach Ron, it commands a certain degree of respect. Especially when you're talking with high net worth clients. One time, I had that conversation Pag-upo ko, ang unang agad sinabi ng kliyente, Prof, sir, I love your watch. Alam mo yung suot mo, hindi na ako makakita ng ganyan. Sabi ko, sinubad ko. Sabi ko, sige sir. Sabi niya, I like your watch. Tapos from there, sabi niya, rapport na kagad yun. Rapport building na kagad. Diba? May common denominator na kayo May connection na kagad Tapos, everything simply follows them. Very light lang yung conversation namin. Tapos sabi niya, Prof, say, by the way, did you bring the contract? Pirmahan na natin para makapag-start na tayo.
Nice. Galing.
Ibang, it goes smoothly when you establish a rapport. Kasi especially Filipinos, tama si Coach Ron, Coach Chef eh. Ang Filipino tayo, very judgmental eh. 'Di ba? From the way you dress, from your shoes, kasama yun eh. Sabi ko, not unless you're Steve Jobs or you are Mark Zuckerberg that you own Facebook, that you don't care like him, attending a stockholders meeting, naka-ano siya, naka-pajama, diba? Why? I own the goddamn company. I can wear what I want to wear, diba?
Tsaka he's known to have, tama.
But of course, syempre tayo, we always would like, tinuturo ko din to sa mga tao ko sa office. If you want to command respect, tandaan nyo, the way you dress, the way you look, it has a very big bearing sa ginagawa natin. Especially nakaharap mo tao. Diba? Yan.
Right.
And even my wife, she knows very much na ako, I love to dress like this one. I like to wear nice watches. Why? Kasama sa branding natin yun eh.
Yeah.
Right.
Conversation starter.
Speaking of branding, kailangan din kasi meron ka laging suot na pag yun ang suot mo, may kilala ka nila, siya to. Diba? For example, diba, halimbawa, Steve Jobs, you will only see him with a black turtleneck na Issey Miyake, Levi's jeans, and New Balance shoes. That's it. Mark Zuckerberg, may kita mo lagi siya, gray shirt, tama? Jeans, and rubber shoes. Tama? Chinkitan. Pag nakita mo si Chinkitan, he would always wear this white eyeglasses.
White eyeglasses. That's right. That's right.
So, have that distinct na item na lagi mong suot para na di-distinguish ka, ito si ano to. Ito si ano yan. Diba? That's part of personal branding. Tama ba? That's part of personal branding. Another leader na kilala natin, he's also an ABC graduate. Millennial siya, but you will not see him wear jeans. Lagi siyang nakasuit with a necktie kahit saan siya pumunta. Millennial yan, ha? Millennial. That's his personal branding. Yun ang gusto niyang dating, di ba? So depende dun sa gusto mong personal branding, but you have to wear the part. And aside from wearing the part, have that item na madidistinguish ka na, ikaw ito, na part ng branding mo. Tama ba? Part ng branding mo.
I think mine
So,
is
yan ang gagawin.
yung knot. Isa sa necktie ko. So my neckties are usually...
ang galing mo doon, Coach Brian, ha? I'd like to...
Ako usually double knot ako eh.
My favorite right now, itong knitted ties. So,
wow, knitted ties. Okay.
You can get this on Instagram as well. So, actually, pinapromote ko sila and then for some reason, one day, nagpadala sila ng 6 na neckties for free.
Wow,
Kasi, lagi ko siyang ginagamit, especially when I wear suits and formal talaga. So, and I always, pagdating sa formal, I wear the necktie with that specific knot. Hindi ko na-divulge. So, personal, again, yung sabi ni Coach Jeff, it's like a personal brand for me na whenever I go to a place, nakikita nila yun. So, yeah, that's true.
Right.
And yung going back to the watch, Coach Jeff, ano ba yung sa'yo? Do you have like a specific watch na...
Yun. Pakita mo na yung
I only have a few. Kasi before, wala. I only have a few. I have, Jaeger LeCoultre. Meron ding Omega, mga vintage watches. Meron ding Oris, no? Na vintage watch. Kasi, iba talaga pag yung watches mo vintage, 1958, 1960,
Pero they have their own
1968.
character.
That's right. And there are a lot of watch enthusiasts na vintage collectors. Tama ba? Na pag nakakita ng vintage watch, wow, grabe, parang iba yung so, iba yung dating.
And next level ko, coaches, mga watch talaga. Something they want to invest in.
And you will also notice when it comes to vintage watches na branded, you will see a lot of good deals. Diba? You don't need to spend a lot of money just to own that particular brand na gusto mo. If you see na there's a vintage watch na bidding, usually bidding yan, diba? And you bid on it and you get a good price for it.
Okay.
Then,
Excuse lang, coaches, 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Okay. So yun ang maganda dun, diba? So something like that. Nakita ko yung watch ni Professor Sai, that's part of his personal branding as well, diba? Especially when dealing with high net worth clients.
That's right.
And tama rin yung sinabi ni Brian. It doesn't matter what kind of watch you have. 'di ba? It doesn't matter if you can carry it, that's part of your branding as well. Tama
Correct.
ba?
Correct.
Kasi it also meron siyang energy. I believe in the energy that it produces yung effect na yung aura na napoproduce of wearing a good watch. Doesn't matter what brand it is, pero pag yung effect niyan dun sa nakakakita, then it helps dun sa personal branding mo. So yan, 'di ba? Kasi tama si Brian, hindi naman yan tatanungin, "Uy, ang ganda ng relos mo ah. Totoo ba yan?"
Oh,
Pwede
walang
ba yan?
ganun.
May mga nagsasabi
Walang
na,
ganun
"Ang
eh.
ganda ng relo mo ah." Ganyan.
Okay.
Wow.
I'm
Tag
back.
yan.
I'm back.
Oo.
Kapatid,
Yeah, welcome back,
kapatid.
Coach. Welcome back.
Yeah, you know why? Kasi ako, I just feel like blessing Brian today.
Wow.
So Brian, this is your lucky day, man. I'm going to give you this.
Ano yan?
Of course, this is authentic, pare.
What?
This is a 1965
Wow.
vintage Omega.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Galing.
That's
And-
amazing.
Yes,
Congratulations,
you, Coach
Brian.
Ron.
It's your
Wow.
first branded
Aside from
watch.
you, si Coach Ariel pa lang ang binigyan ko ng relo.
Wow.
Pero, man,
Fantastic,
you deserve this,
fantastic.
man.
Oh, thank you, Coach.
Oh, bless you.
Fantastic,
Coach Ron.
fantastic.
Coach Ron,
Did you like-
bless
you like it?
For
You like it
keepsake
ba?
talaga,
Okay ba?
for keepsake talaga yan.
Oh, yeah,
honestly.
yeah.
Galing.
Hindi pa, yeah, kasi,
Baka sa susunod marami na akong ganyan. Shout out sa aking fiancé. Baka magalit.
yeah.
So I
Hindi,
really,
pare,
Congratulations.
honestly, coaches,
Congratulations.
I really want to invest on watches next talaga. And sa susunod sa list ko yan eh. Investing on watches.
Okay.
Ako, meron lang ako, may tip lang ako.
Thank you,
Ako
Coach.
kasi noon, wala pa akong Rolex talaga. Nagsimula lang ako sa tag. You know what I did? Kumuha ako ng magazine na may mga Rolex, tapos dinikit ko yan sa isang parang vision board.
Wow. Yeah.
Lahat ng mga magagandang Rolex. And surprisingly, kakatingin ko,
Yeah.
syempre na ano mo, through the years, na nagugulat ako na nakompleto ko na yung gusto kong kunin na doon, na modelo. Ano to unknowingly So ang tip ko sa'yo, Coach Brian, others may not believe me, it's okay. I respect that. Pero yun na nangyari sa akin eh. Di ba, every morning kakatingin mo, it inspires you eh. Tapos parang if you're telling the world na meron akong ganitong
Yeah.
parang the world is also helping you to get that brand. Kasi yung mga nakukuha ko talagang
Yeah.
mga na model ng watch na gusto ko, hindi mo na halos makita sa market eh.
Mm.
And surprisingly talaga. Yun ang tip ko sa'yo, Coach Brian Yung mga gusto mo na relo, hanapin mo, igupitin mo,
Yeah.
tapos dikit mo sa
Yeah.
try to have a
Vision
vision
board, no?
board.
Vision board,
Oh.
yeah.
Vision board.
Yeah.
And sa atin, by the way,
Biglang nagkatotoo ngayong gabi. Coach.
Yun. Bigyan pala.
galing, di ba? Ayun,
Ayun, may palakpakan din.
May palakpakan pa. Ang galing.
Bless you, brother.
Thank you,
Welcome
Coach.
to our kasi kami when we value people, ABC community, especially pag this session, tama ba? This session is like parang
Tagal-
biglaan to, Brian,
Pero
di ba?
tagal natin pinag-usapan to, Coach, di
Oh,
ba?
diba?
Napag-usapan lang.
Oo.
Oh,
Diba, pag-usapan lang. Pero at the same time, Brian, binigay niya yung services niya nang wala siyang hinihinging kapalit. Tama ba? Pero you know what? Sometimes the universe would converge into something and
That's
it will
right.
manifest to bless you, di ba?
Correct.
So we just want to be a blessing to you tonight. Yan, fantastic.
Thank you, Coach.
Dahil
So,
ang galing-galing na sharing mo today. Yan,
yeah.
fantastic.
So, ayun lang,
Oh,
Coach,
yan.
So, let's go, parang go back to the topic. Paano nga ba tayo magkakaroon ng parang makakapag-accumulate with these kinds of pieces na very affordable? Siyempre, pag-usapan natin yung mga tao na nagsisimula pa lang, di ba? Medyo next level na tayo yung we were thinking about bespoke suits.
Yeah.
Really nice watch, di ba? So, all this branded stuff, ito ay for you to parang bless yourself and reward yourself with the hard work that you've
Tama
been
naman. That's why
doing,
you work
di ba?
hard.
So ako,
Yeah.
experience ko rin yun when I hit my an award in my company, nagpatahi talaga ako ng bespoke suit. So,
Nice.
it's in Makati yung tailor shop na yon, and sobrang ganda nung suit na yon and really love it. It's actually etong silver gray. So ito siya. So this is a double-breasted suit. Double-breasted
Oh,
suit
nice.
siya.
Dang,
And
very nice.
ito for people who are watching, I prefer yung peak lapels. So sa lapel niya.
Oh, yeah. Classic
So,
pickle bells.
yeah. So
And
usually kasi notch
thinner.
ito. So if you can see yung
Yeah.
yan. So notch ang tawag dito and peak ang tawag sa patulis. So bakit? Kasi it
Parang harvester.
accentuates your shoulders. Right? So yun yung usually suot ni Harvey Specter, di ba, coach?
Yeah,
For
Harvester.
sure.
Right, right.
Yeah. So actually, he's also one of the influences na nakikita ko talaga ever since I parang went into the parang fashion na suits. Yan. So, yun, reward yourself from time to time when you achieve milestones in your life. But again, accumulate ka ng mga pieces na mura. So, I guess may mga tatanong kasi, saan ko ba nakuha yung 349? Ito yun eh. So, kuhanin ko lang din yung dalawa.
Sige.
Galing
That's
ni
right.
Coach
Kasi
Ako-
maraming
ako,
mga good deals.
Meron akong tip sa inyo, boys. Kung gusto nyo, hindi kayo sitahin ng asawa nyo, pag bumili
Ah.
kayo ng
Ano yan?
relo, kaya ng suit, ito ang gagawin mo. Ako ganito
Okay.
style ko
Sige nga, Coach.
Wala namang asawa ko dito.
Ah,
Ako na.
Ito gagawin ko. Babe, meron akong dala sa yung blouse, meron akong dala sa yung ganito, pabango, di ba? Di siya naman, talaga, thank you. Tapos, di ba, tuwan-tuwa siya. Tapos ako naman, ako din, meron.
ayun.
O, di ba?
May kapalit pala. May kasabay.
Oo, di ba? Kaya tuloy nga lang, doble gastos. Pero, at least you get what you want, right?
Tsaka hindi, Coach Ron, kaya naman tayo nagtatrabaho ng mabuti to enjoy it, di ba?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hindi ka naman
yeah.
para
For as long
magpakamatay
as
sa
you're
kakatrabaho.
organized with your cash flow, wala kang tinatamaan na
Tama,
sinasacrifice
tama.
na
That's right.
long term, tama.
Yeah,
Okay lang
babalik at babalik tayo on managing talaga our own cash flows. So,
yan. Tama.
ayan, no, ito. So, I got this. So,
Oh, yan, maganda
double-breasted
yan.
din siya. I don't know kung
Wow,
nakikita na
ele-
ba.
Tsaka pinstripes.
Yeah.
Stripes.
So, it's pinstripe, double-breasted,
Pinstripe.
and lapel niya is peak din.
Pick din.
Yan. Tapos, just a parang navy blue na double-breasted
Okay.
din. One of the pictures na pinakita ko kanina.
Yan yung mga favorite ni Coach Jeff mga double-breasted.
Double-breasted. So, again, ito, I got this one.
Brando strikes again.
Ayun, lumusot na
Ayaw
naman.
kasi,
Napalusot na naman.
I'm not a, you know.
Maganda yung mga collection mo ng suit, Coach.
Yeah,
Oh,
so-
maganda.
Yes,
Very
yes,
impressive.
yes, yes.
Very impressive.
Sobrang
Yes.
All
mind
in
blown
all,
ako.
Brian, how many suits do you have right now? All in all.
Ayun, tama. All in all, how many
Ako?
suits?
Hindi
You have
hindi
more
na
than
mabilang.
five?
No? So, hindi, more than
Oh,
10.
do you have more than
10.
five? You have more than 10
10.
that you have accumulated through the years. Tama
Yeah.
ba?
And more than half of it is on a budget talaga.
On a budget. Okay.
Nasa
Can you give us
nagsusuot
can you
ka
give
ba
us tips for those people na magsa-start out pa lang and they can't afford those bespoke
Yeah.
suits, hindi pa
So-
nila kaya mag Zara, hindi pa nila kaya mag TM Lewin, hindi pa nila kaya mag
So,
mag Boss. Where
Ex-
can they go so that they can buy quality suits na pasok sa budget?
yeah. So, I guess what you want to be doing is to explore. There's a lot of parang small businesses dyan na for neckties, yung knit ties na pinakita ko kanina, they only parang 399 if I'm not mistaken
Wow.
for
Oh,
that
pwede.
necktie. So, pwede na siya.
Saan yan? Saan yan?
Instagram. Uy, libre ng shout out, no? So,
Shout
knit
out,
ties,
okay.
for ties, what else? Markins, if you know the shoes. May brand yan sa Facebook, search yung Markins. So for shoes, yun yung mga
Ano yan? Mga what do you call
mga
Oxford?
Brogue wingtip, ganyan,
Brogue.
Oxfords, ganyan. Halo-halo sila. So very
Okay.
affordable din yun. On a budget as well. As well as
Wow.
yung pinakita ko na suit, 349, 499. Saan yun? Hanapin nyo yung store na Mogao. MOGAO. So, ito,
Mogao.
hesitant pa ako
Mogao.
to really say this because syempre, a lot of people will go there to buy talaga these parang budget friendly pero sobrang fashionable designs. So, I got these two suits sa Divisoria, sa New Tutuban Mall. Pero meron sila mga stores around the Philippines as well. So, hanapin nyo lang
Nice.
where malapit sa inyo. Ang tip ko, for me, mahirap kasi makahanap ng mga small sizes. So
Okay.
usually mayroon sa kanila doon large sizes.
Okay.
So
Tapos
whenever
paayos mo na lang. Paayos.
Yeah, paayos
papa-alter na
pwede.
lang.
Pero ako I jump from one store to another. So Mogao, MOGAO. So doon ko siya nabili yung 499 na suit na yun. And when I wear that, parang it is in comparison with the mga mahaling suits sa sa ibang brands. So hindi halata na 499. Wow, parang when I saw that, parang di pa ako makapagpaniwala kasi double-breasted, big lapels, and
Wow.
the quality of
Perfect. Oo.
yung tela,
Yung
sobrang
cloth,
ganda.
yung
Oo.
Yeah,
Very
so
nice.
for people who are
good-
into the
good buy na
budget,
yun. Good buy.
explore these brands na hindi usually pang masa pero they're available online or hindi man sila very outspoken like yung Mogao. So, ayun, I guess try to look for different places na pwede nyo pagkuhanan.
Yun.
All right. So
Fantastic,
alam na natin.
fantastic.
Fantastic,
Ang bilis
fantastic.
ng oras, Coach
Declaration.
Jeff.
Oh,
Bilis
nako.
na. It's already 11. So
Oh, yeah.
that's it
Already
for
11 na
our
pala.
shows
Oo.
for
No, thank you very
Uh,
much.
thank you, thank you.
Brian. Palakpakan
Sarap
naman
ng
na
kwentuhan.
si Brian.
Parang,
Fantastic, fantastic. So meron tayong mga bago natutunan
Galing,
for
galing.
today. Very
Oo,
nice,
and-
very nice.
And,
Coach Ron, promote muna tayo ng a
Yep.
few online trainings
pero
natin.
shoutout ko, kasi alam mo, kanina bumili ako, Coach, ng homemade na blueberry cheesecake, tsaka
Wow.
homemade na cinnamon roll. Doon sa
Wow.
kaibigan natin kay Eman Halili of Sun Life.
Eman
Oo,
Halili.
diba?
Grabe, panalo,
So if you
panalo.
want to order, pagpunta nyo dun sa basta PM nyo ako, bigay ko yung pero or hanapin nyo Eman Halili, diba? Sarap ng the best.
Oo. Order na rin ako dyan.
Mm-mm. O, yan,
Very
yan,
nice,
yan.
very
Subukan nga.
nice.
Forward
Ayan,
mo nga sa
pinromote
akin,
ko lang.
Coach Ron.
Oo, masarap,
Good,
masarap.
sarap.
Okay.
Alright.
Sige. So let's
go
promote
ahead, promote coaches.
promote muna tayo ng online trainings natin. Very important. We have an upcoming online training this coming Saturday, June 20, where we will be teaching two things. No, it's a two-in-one training. We'll teach you how to set appointments online. Ano yung approach na gagawin mo sa warm markets, referrals na yan, so that you can set appointments online. Number two naman is we will also teach you personal money management strategies and techniques. We'll teach you how to budget, how to allocate, how to prioritize cash flow so that you can teach your clients these techniques, right? Maganda dyan sa worksheet na yan. Hindi na kayo maghuhula ng price kung magkano ipa-price nyo dun sa client ninyo. The worksheet will determine it for you. And the worksheet is designed to help you do product positioning. Kahit saan ka pumunta, meron ka laging ma-represent, meron ka laging sagot. That's going to be on Saturday, this coming Saturday, June 20, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay?
Yeah.
Regular rate natin dyan is only 2,499. Pero naka-early bird rate tayo, Coach Ron, until tomorrow.
Yep.
1,499 na lang po if you enroll until tomorrow.
Yeah. So
Another
if they enroll on the same date when the session will begin, 2.5 na talaga po siya. No? So
That's correct.
pero it just enroll on time para we can accommodate you.
That's correct. Another training program that we have is the Master Closer Blueprint Workshop. It's a 2-day training where we will be teaching you the complete ABC closing system. That's going to be on June 26 and 27 via Zoom din po siya. Okay? Ang maganda dito, it comes with a 67-page ebook. Regular rate lang po natin dyan is only 5,900 po. But it's already complete. Nandun na po yan. We'll teach you from start to finish on how to close deals in one sitting. Another training program that we have is yung masterclass natin with Professor Sai. Professor Sai, can you tell us more about this?
Okay, guys, ladies and gentlemen, we have this Master Closer's Guide on Tax and Estate Planning, especially for our high net worth clients na the insurance is only one part of their concern. So for us to be able to add value to our clients on matters of taxation, on estate, and if you'd like to learn more practical tips on how to handle high net worth clients, we invite you to attend to this masterclass session on tax and estate planning on June 27. That's from 7 to 10 p.m. And
Fantastic, fantastic. And another
Fantastic.
training program that we have this coming June 30 naman is the Master Closer's Guide to Handling Objections. Can you tell us more about that, Coach Ron?
Oh yeah, definitely. Kasi our ability to handle objections is always equal to our ability to close. Tama ba? So how do
Right,
you
that's right.
handle objections? Like, pwede ba sa after pandemic na lang? Kasi wala pa ako, di ba? Pwede ba next time na lang? Kasi marami na ako insurance. Pwede ba after, di ba? Wala pa kasi akong ipon. Kasi wala pang sweldo. Kasi tanong ko pa sa asawa ko. Those are all concerns na lagi natin na encounter, tama ba? So we're gonna teach you a structure on how you can answer this any type of objections. No, it's a 3-hour mastery session, and definitely after that, diba, you'll be more confident in answering any objections. Yan. Enroll po kayo. 2,499, pero if you enroll on or before June 29, 1,499 pa rin siya.
That's right. That's right. Fantastic. Fantastic. So see you guys again next time. This is Coach Jeff Luzpo. Together with me is Coach Ron C. and Professor Sai De La Torre.
All
Of
right.
course, this show is powered by the suited advisor, Mr. Brian Ordiales. We are here every Thursday for our Thursday Thunder talk show. We'll see you next time. And remember,
Always be closing!
Bye, guys. Bye.
Night!
Good night, guys.